Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 豚と白菜のごま塩鍋. It's very simple hot pot using very simple ingredients. So easy and quick to make. Healthy, filling, and the most importantly, delicious. So it's perfect when you don't have time to cook something complicated, but you want to eat healthy. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this 豚と白菜のごま塩鍋. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 200 grams of bean sprouts, 400 grams of pork, any part you like, but it's very thinly sliced like shabu-shabu style. 500 grams of napa cabbage, some garlic chive, as much as you like. 1 pack of tofu, 4 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of Chinese soup stock or chicken stock, half a tablespoon of salt, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, and some chili pepper. As always, let's finish all the cutting first. So garlic. I keep them frozen, so they are still frozen, but never mind. Let's just make thin slices. Into the pot. And garlic chive. Cut the bottom off because it's dried. Cut them into half. Put them together. Into half. Put them together. Then into half again. And napa cabbage. Cut the core off. Cut it into half. The leafy part into 1 inch or so. And the bottom half into thin diagonal slices. And tofu. Just take it out from the package. You don't need to drain it well, just take it out. Let's cut it into 8 blocks. Let's make the broth. 3 cups of water into the pot. I already have garlic in it. That's 2 and 3. Chili pepper, salt, the soup stock, and sesame oil. The bottom half of the napa cabbage. at the bottom, then leafy part. Let's put the bean sprout too. Cover with the lid and just cook it until everything is well cooked. Cooked for 15 minutes or so and everything in the pot is well cooked. Let's add the tofu and the pork. Make some space. The lid back on and cook until the pork is well cooked. Cooked for 5 minutes or so and the pork is well cooked. Let's add the chive. Put the lid back on and cook for a minute. Now the chive is wilted and it's done. Time for the tasting. Let's put some broth too. いただきます。The aroma of the garlic and the sesame oil is very appetizing. It's really surprising that such a simple ingredient can make the hot pot so flavorful. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 豚と白菜のごま塩鍋 is a main, so it goes here. I'm putting it here for convenience. But hot pot is something you put in the middle of the table and chair. There is enough vegetable in the hot pot, so let's pass one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. When we have hot pot, we normally pass the soup. Plain rice here, or after you finish the hot pot, you can cook some rice and beaten egg to make rice soup. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye.